I'm Bryan Chiang from Chiang and I'm from batch 2020. I like the ETG program because when I come here, like I have a lot of my other friends here, and it's like a fun place to be. And there are like free snacks around I can eat after school. And then like Mr. To makes the lessons very enjoyable, very interesting. He brings in a lot of like real world matters that we can like understand. Like mainly for me, I try to come for the real life lessons because I live quite nearby. But then like when the lessons are like have to be online, then sometimes if I can't make it, then I can just go back and watch the recorded video lessons. So it makes like learning a lot more flexible. Like I can miss lessons, then go back to watch it back, and I can rewatch lessons if I miss out on some stuff. I attended the Econs Edison's workshop, and it was like a full day thing. He went through like 20 plus essays and like case studies. It was like really went through like almost every single concept, so it's like a good crash course of the entire year. A lot of it like came up in A-levels also. For the Econs Essence workshop, Mr. To will like take good questions he finds from other schools' prelims and also like from past years. Then he will like make his own answers and then analyze it. Then he will like give it to us in all in one day. So it's like all the questions he thinks is like the best and might come up. After going through like everything, it's like it covers almost every single concept. Then after he also gave us like a hard copy version of the answers, so we can like refer to it while revising and stuff. One of the last few lessons, he gave us this case study on the chicken coop in Singapore, like the chicken cartel. And it was the exact case study that came out for the A-level case study. So I was like quite shocked when it came out. I will always text Mr. To on WhatsApp when I have any questions, and I've got come down like for consult like a few times or so. Although it's like a bit of a scolding session, like he'll scold me for like everything I do wrong, but then like it helped me understand the stuff that I did wrong. And then online, like he's always available to help, even when it's like super late, 1 a.m, 2 a.m. Then sometimes he's still awake, then he'll reply and answer my questions. Mr. To is like he's like a good friend to me. The way he teaches is a lot more friendly than like a school teacher where they just teach you concepts. Like you can tell that he genuinely wants you to do well and wants you to learn in like a fun way. The way he teaches, he'll bring in a lot of real world concepts, and then like he'll joke with us, and like these kind of things make me remember the concepts better, and I can like apply it in my essays and case studies. I feel like what's good about the online resources is I don't have to bring it around like with me. Like so long I have my computer, then if I'm outside studying, if I want to revise this concept, I can just go on the website, watch it, then like revise on that concept. I think ETG's hard copy resources are very like thorough, like, and it comes with like a separate book of answers. So like once we finish the entire book, you will give us the entire book of answers also. Then when I'm at home, I can like revise the entire thing again. Yeah, definitely. Like my econs was a S in J1. Then after I came here, I got like a high D for prelims. I like quite confident about my A's because like I feel like I did quite okay and I understand a lot better. Yeah, definitely, because it's very close to Hwa Chong, and I feel like Mr. To will definitely like help you improve in econs and feel a lot more confident about yourself when you do econs.